Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install OpenCode using command prompt. So if I go there on this command prompt, right there. So first you're going to check the version, curl minus version. So here you can see curl version that already installed. Let's use the CLS. Now thereafter in Google search box write there OpenCode, then go on this OpenCode AI site. So here by using this command, so with the help of this command going to install their OpenCode. So curl this site. Now press enter. So press enter and now you need to wait for few or second times. There this is installing OpenCode version. So here you can see the status. Now here I'm getting this message installing this. So path we need to set. So C user ARZN. So let's go into this C. Then users ARZN. Then here open code. You can see this is the bin. So this here you can see open code is there. So let's write there edit system environment variable. Then go there edit then new and use this okay. Thereafter let's write there open code. Now first we need to close this and again opening the command prompt. Now let's write there open code again. So this times this detected and wait for few seconds. So this open code is now opening and hereafter let's write there NQ writing there hi. So this here for this one net should be connected. Now this since just getting I said how can I help you? So how to add numbers in Python. So this is now thinking and here you can see this is the returning output. So this is how we can install this open code using the command prompt. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.